everyone. In one of our previous classes, we had discussed how it is difficult to set up a framework for cybersecurity in satellites or even in space because there are the diversity of stakeholders involved in the race right now. This includes private, government-funded projects, public sector projects, etc. And in order to provide guidance to all these stakeholders involved in space, NIST recently, in partnership with the industry, has started developing the HSN, which is the Hybrid Satellites Network. And I found this really interesting. So, what exactly is that? The hybrid satellite network utilizes multiple components in terrestrial as well as space communications infrastructure. This may be a collection of independently owned satellites or payloads that communicate across different government and or commercial entities. Um, the HSN system services, particularly these may include satellite-based communications, position, navigation, timing, remote sensing, weather monitoring, and imaging, etc. The most important part of this, which like the most interesting part for me in this, was that the obstacle for such frameworks, as we had discussed, is the trust, like building that trust and integrity among all the stakeholders. And to mitigate that, the HSN will actually have varying levels of trust among its different components. In this way, you're requiring frameworks for establishing confidentiality of the individual components, but you're also enabling the availability of whatever the required services that are being shared among them are. The main purpose of the HSN is to help these organizations make more informed decisions about cybersecurity activities that they may be engaged in. It is being considered as a starting point, basically, from which organizations can customize based on their needs and risk assessment. But the main point, the purpose being to develop more appropriate processes uh, to manage cybersecurity risk in the future. And they have a great website. Like it's a project that was started recently, and I've shared the link to the project website in my article in my weekly blog. So if you have time and are interested in it, I would recommend you check it out. Thank you.